Welcome to CAMS கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோல 10th standard social civicsல lesson 4 India's foreign policy அந்த லெசனோட book back questions தான் இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். Choose the correct answers. Which minister plays a vital role in molding foreign policy of our country? External Affairs Minister. The Panchshir Treaty has been signed between India and China. Which article of Indian Constitution directs to adopt foreign policy? Article 51. Apartheid is a policy of racial discrimination. The agreement signed by India and China in 1954 related to the 5 principles of coexistence, which is not related to our foreign policy. Colonialism. Which of the following country is not the founder member of NAM? Pakistan. Find the odd one. Diplomacy. Non-alliance means freedom to decide on issues independently. Fill in the blanks. India conducted its first nuclear test at Pokhran. At present, our foreign policy acts as a means to generate inward investment, business and technology for domestic growth and development. Diplomacy is the instrument for implementing foreign policy of a state. Non-alignment was India's policy in the face of the bipolar order of the Cold War. Our tradition and national ethos is to practice disarmament. Consider the following statement and tick the appropriate answer. Arrange the following in the correct chronological order and choose the correct answer from the code given below. Correct answer B 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of the following is not about NAM? Correct answer C 2 only. Write true or false against each of the statement. Answer true. Accession. India aligned with Soviet Union by the Indo-Soviet Treaty on 1971. Reason. The began with a disastrous Indo-China War of 1962. Correct answer C. A is correct and R is wrong. Accession. India has formal diplomatic relations with most of the nations. Reason. India is the world's second most populous country. Correct answer. A is correct and R explains A. Avoidance of military blocs was necessity for India after political freedom because India had to remit from all the above. Match the following. Indian Ocean Island, Maldives, land bridge to ASEAN, Myanmar, Panchshir 1954, Afro-Asian Conference 1955, World Peace, Foreign Policy. Give short answers. What is foreign policy? Foreign policy can be defined as a country's policy that is conceived, designed and formulated to safeguard and promote her national interest in her external affairs, in the conduct of relationships with other countries both bilaterally and multilaterally. Explain India's nuclear policy. Our tradition and nation's ethos is to practice disarmament. Indian nuclear program in 1974 and 1998 is only done for strategic purposes. The two themes of India's nuclear doctrine are no first use, credible minimum deterrence. It has decided not to use nuclear power for offensive purposes and would never use against any non-nuclear state. Differentiate domestic policy and foreign policy. Difference between domestic policy and foreign policy. Domestic policy is the nation's plan for dealing issues within its own nation. Foreign policy is the nation's plan for dealing with other nations. It includes laws focusing on domestic affairs, social welfare, health care, education, civil rights, economic issues and social issues. Trade, diplomacy, sanctions, defense, intelligence and global environments are the types of foreign policy. List any four guiding principles of Panchshil. Mutual non-aggression, mutual non-interference, equality and cooperation for mutual benefit, peaceful coexistence. What was the reason for India to choose path of non-alignment? The new nations that got independence after the long period of colonial struggle found themselves in a very difficult situation with respect to economic development. It was necessary to align with either of the blocs, United States of America or United Soviet Socialist Republic. So Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, opposed to rivalry of the two superpowers, America and Russia, who were trying to extend their influence over the newly emerged nation of Asia and Africa. So he closed a path of non-alignment. List out the member of countries of SAARC. The member countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Name the architects of the non-aligned movement. Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Tito of Yugoslavia, Nasser of Sukarno of Indonesia and Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana were the founding fathers of NAM. Mention the main tools of foreign policy. The main tools of foreign policy are treaties and executive agreements, appointing ambassadors, foreign aid, international trade and armed forces. Answer in detail. Write a detailed note on non-alignment. The term non-alignment was coined by V. Krishna Menon in his speech at the United Nations in 1953. Non-alignment has been regarded as the most important feature of India's foreign policy. It aimed to maintain national independence in foreign affairs by not joining a military alliance. The non-aligned movement NAM was formed with the membership of 120 countries and 17 states as observers and 10 international organizations. It has transformed from a political movement to an economical movement. Another noteworthy fact is that it has transformed from a political movement to an economical movement. The founding fathers of non-aligned movement, Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Tito of Yugoslavia, Nasser of Sukarno of Indonesia and Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana were the founding fathers of NAM. Discuss core determinants of India's foreign policy, geographical position and size of territory, nations, history, traditions and philosophical basis, natural resources, the compulsion of economic development, political stability and structure of government, the necessity of peace, disarmament and non-proliferation of nuclear weapons, military strength, international milieu. Make any two on basic concepts followed by India to maintain friendly relations with its neighbors, preservation of national interests, achievement of world peace, disarmament, fostering cordial relationship with other countries, solving conflicts by peaceful means, independence of thought and action as per the principle NAM, equality in conducting international relations, anti-colonialism, anti-imperialism, anti-regime, prioritizing and integrated neighborhood. Neighborhood first policy. India's foreign policy has always regarded the concept of neighborhood as one of widening concentric circles around the central axis of historical and cultural commonalities. India gives political and diplomatic priority to her immediate neighbors and the Indian Ocean island states such as Maldives, bridging diplomacy and development. One of the major objectives of India's foreign policy has been to leverage international partnership for India's domestic development. This includes improving technological access, sourcing capital, gaining market access, and securing national resources. PTA questions and answers. 1 mark, 2 mark, 5 marks. Government exam questions and answers. இதோட இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.